Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So today I am at Husky gas station and I'm gonna show you how to fill up, because it's like a auto self-service gas station where you prepay and do. So watch it till then. The very first thing, open your gas tank, right? I just opened it and now I'm gonna do further. So let me open the gas tank. Now I am at the gas station. Okay, so the very first thing here, you can see that they have told like either you pay here or you go inside and pay. So I'm gonna put my card here in this slot and then I will take it. So I have put my card, so it is showing the amount to fill. So I just select one amount, I click OK. Yeah, processing. It's asking me to put the pin, so I'm gonna put the pin here and then I'm gonna click on OK. So I did that. Now it is approving. Okay, it's approved. So now I'm gonna take this okay, transfer, remove card. So I removed my card. I'm gonna remove the nozzle too and I'm gonna select one of the grades. So I select this one. Okay, now I'm gonna go to my car. Okay, I'm gonna open the gas tank full. It's already full, so opened. So I'm gonna put it here and I'm gonna press it. So once it is filled up, it will automatically stop. So once it is stopped, do not push more. Do not put more the gas than what its actual capacity is. Otherwise, you could be in trouble. And if you have exhausted the money, it will stop. Or if not, then anything that remains will go back to your account. So that's how simple it is, guys. But anyway, I'm gonna show you. Right now, it is still filling up, and it won't take even a minute from now. You will see how it hits me back once it is, yeah, see, it hits me back. It's done. So I put it back here. Okay, and you can see the amount and everything. You can click for the receipt. Receipt comes out there. So that's how it is, simple, guys. And if you have any questions, you can always ask inside. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.